Come test drive the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.